Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris. I'm just another review guy. Today we're doing a review on the Ryobi 40 volt cordless auger. This auger comes with a 4 amp hour battery for $349.99 at Home Depot. You can also get it without the battery for $299.99. Comes with an 8-inch bit. Can dig about 30 inches down. So the nice thing about this auger is you got two speeds. You got high, you have low. Now in our testing on the job site, we were digging in gravel and wet soil. Thing did amazing. We ended up digging 25 holes and only used half of the battery pack. One battery, not bad, fully charged, 4 amp hour battery. Another nice benefit of the electric auger is it has reverse. Now most of you professional fence guys that use augers that don't have reverse, obviously if you get stuck in root or junk or something in the ground, you got to take your pipe wrench, pull it out. Well, with this guy, just hit the reverse button, pull the trigger, and it comes right out of the ground. No more mess around, taking off the auger head, breaking out your pipe wrench, twisting that shit around or stuff around. Now on the job site that we were at, it actually got stuck in some railroad junk, so we couldn't pull the auger bit out. So push reverse, pull the trigger, it came out like butter. So this particular unit has an anti-kickback on it, like almost all augers do. The anti-kickback works just like any other two-man, one-man auger you've used. It's not going to kick back on a small tiny rock, and it's most likely going to whack you in the knee or the leg before the kickback even kicks in. So when using the auger, you still have to hold it nice and sturdy. Has a nice pad here for your leg, so when it hits your leg, it still hurts after it happens 20-30 times a day. But the anti-kickback does work. Once it gets stuck, it stops working basically. It just turns the machine off. And then you got to pull the auger up or hit reverse, pull it out, clean it out, and get rid of the rock that's in the hole. It's pretty straightforward with this auger machine. It works great. If you go on HomeDepot.com, it says it's for personal use. Where they have a gas-powered auger that says commercial use, I can almost guarantee you that this electric auger will outperform the gas one any day. So guys, that does it for my review. Also, if you're interested in the auger, it comes with two different bits. It comes with 4-inch bit and a 6-inch bit in diameter, so you can do different kind of work around your house with it. The 2 amp battery, 4 amp battery, 6 amp battery all work in the machine. Like I said, this shit comes with the 4 amp hour battery. The 6 amp hour battery is $199.99. Alright guys, well thanks for watching the video. Hope you all have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next one. Links in the description below to buy batteries off Amazon. I have no link to buy the auger. Go to HomeDepot.com. They won't give me no affiliate link because my channel is too small, they said. So that's cool. Still go to HomeDepot.com. Buy the machine if you want to. But buy your batteries and stuff off of Amazon. They're a lot cheaper than Home Depot. Alright guys, subscribe.